take out the machine and its fittings. Unscrew the tip on the polymer atomizing pen. There are large and small-sized rubber cells which can be replaced by spare ones. And there are several tips which can be chosen for different treated areas. Install the cord hammer handle line. Install the mask line. Install the glass container of the Hydra Demabrasion pen. Install ultrasonic handle line. Put all handles into corresponding fittings holders. Lift the lid at the back side of the machine. There are two bottles. Pour some liquid nutrient or cleansing liquid such as AF1310 liquid into the clean bottle. Pour the liquid waste out from the other bottle if it is full. After checking all fittings are installed properly, you can plug the machine. Lift the lid at the front side and then press the power button to start the machine. Polymer atomizing pen function. Adjust the suction and the volume of water coming out from the tip based on customer's endurance. The upper knob is used to regulate suction, and the lower knob is used to regulate the volume of water coming out from the tip. Turning the knob clockwise is to decrease them, and turning the knob anti-clockwise is to increase them. Press the button on the handle to start the treatment. Please note, pay attention to the volume of water coming out from the tip. Keep skin moisturized as possible as you can, otherwise there will be discomfort. Cord hammer handle function. Apply essence evenly to the treated area before operation. Do not perform the operation on dry skin. Press the button on the handle to start the treatment. Please note, the handle should not stay on the same area for a long time to avoid frostbite. LED Photon Mask function. There's no need to apply anything, just fix the mask on the face to start the treatment. Press mask button on the machine to start the treatment. There are 7 knives with different colors. Choose proper one based on the customer's face condition. Hydra Demabrasion pen function. Before operation, detach the glass container and pour liquids into it. Choose proper liquid among pure water, toner, normal saline, liquid essence, and so on based on skin condition. Press the button on the handle to start the treatment. Please note, if there's no atomized liquid coming out, you can jab the tip with a needle. Ultrasonic handle function. Apply essence evenly to the treated area before operation. Do not perform the operation on dry skin. Press the button on the handle to start the treatment. Please note, the working surface of the handle must be in full contact with skin. and also it should not stay on the same area for over 3 seconds to avoid burns caused by uneven heat or excess heat. Turn off the machine and then sanitize handles for next time use.